In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace your Lloyds Bank card if it's lost, stolen, or damaged. Here's the plan. We'll start in the Lloyds Bank mobile app or internet banking, move to the cards area, report what's happened, request a replacement, and then cover how and when your new card arrives. I'll also explain what to do if you're not registered for online banking and how to activate your card once it's delivered. Keep your login details handy and make sure you're on a secure private connection before you begin. First, log into the Lloyds Bank mobile app or to internet banking on your browser. Use your usual credentials and any security checks as prompted. If you share a device, avoid saving passwords and always log out when you're finished. If you're unable to log in right now, don't worry, I'll cover the alternative ways to order a replacement in just a moment. Once you're signed in, go to the cards section. Look for the option to report your card as lost, stolen, or damaged. Choose the reason that best matches your situation. When you report a lost or stolen card, your existing card will be blocked to help protect your account from unauthorized use. If it's simply damaged but still in your possession, selecting the damaged option ensures you can carry on securely while you wait for a replacement. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to request a replacement card. You may be asked to confirm which card needs replacing and to verify your registered address. Take a moment to double-check that address, as your new card will be sent there. You won't usually need to provide any additional personal information beyond what's already on your account. When everything looks correct, submit the request. Your new card will be sent to your registered address within 3-5 working days. Keep an eye on your post, and remember that delivery times can vary slightly depending on your location and local postal services. If you're expecting to be away from home, consider timing your request so the card arrives when you can receive it safely. If you're not registered for online banking, you can also request a replacement by calling Lloyds Bank through the official contact details listed in the app or on their website, or by visiting a local branch. If you choose the branch route, bring valid identification to help verify your account quickly. Once your new card arrives, activate it via the Lloyds Bank app, through internet banking, or by using it at an ATM with your PIN. Follow the prompts carefully, keep your PIN secure, and you'll be ready to use your new card right away.